Today we're diving into Wordtune, an AI writing assistant that promises to enhance your writing experience, but does it really deliver on that promise? Or are there some hidden flaws we should be wary of? Let's find out. Wordtune aims to help users refine their writing by providing real-time suggestions for rephrasing, clarifying, and expanding on text. It's designed for anyone from students to professionals who want to elevate their writing quality. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy to navigate, which is a plus for those who might not be tech-savvy. What's interesting is how it allows you to see multiple suggestions for the same sentence, giving you a range of options to choose from. However, while the core functionality seems solid, some users might find the suggestions a bit hit or miss. There are moments when the AI's rephrasing can feel a bit off or unnecessary, which can be frustrating if you're looking for precision. Also, it's worth mentioning that there's limited information on how it handles more complex writing styles, which could leave advanced users wanting more. Overall, it feels like a useful tool, but there are definitely areas that could use improvement. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Wordtune's user-friendly interface makes it accessible, and its ability to suggest multiple rephrasing options can spark creativity. It's particularly beneficial for those who struggle with writer's block or need quick fixes for clarity. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users might find the AI's suggestions lack nuance, especially in more sophisticated writing contexts. Additionally, the pricing structure could be a concern for budget-conscious individuals, as it may not feel justified for casual users. Trust is another factor. While it's backed by technology, there's still a bit of uncertainty about how well it handles sensitive or nuanced topics. It might not be the best fit for seasoned writers who need more depth and customization. In conclusion, Wordtune is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their writing, especially if you're starting out or need quick assistance. However, if you're an advanced user or require more tailored suggestions, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but keep your expectations realistic.